Sister of missing man make a desperate plea for anyone with information that can lead to his whereabouts. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The sister of a missing man is making a desperate plea for the public's assistance in locating him. The missing man has been identified as Martin Charles and is of dark complexion, slim built and about 5 feet 6 inches tall, and usually sport a cane-row hairstyle. Mr. Charles is also said to be of unsound mind, and he was last seen in the Coronation Market in Kingston. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Mr. Charles has been asked to contact his sister, Mrs. Hamilton, at 788-4952, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a follow-up story to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.